Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by confirming eligibility and gathering essentials. Open your Monzo app and ensure your account is verified and older than 30 days. Insurers need that history. Next, locate your phone's IMEI or serial and the purchase receipt or the Monzo transaction showing the buy. Finally, make sure a debit card is linked for premiums and decide on the excess you can afford. A higher excess lowers monthly cost. Once done, move to the insurance section in-app and tap to start a quote. Now you'll complete the detailed quote. Carefully type the model, IMEI, and purchase date so the policy matches your phone. Errors can void cover. Then choose cover types: accidental damage, theft, liquid damage, and whether you need worldwide protection, and compare premiums. Make a clear choice between monthly or annual payment. Annual often saves money. Adjust excess to balance monthly cost and claim ease, and add any multi-device or family options if needed. Review the summary and proceed to purchase when satisfied. Complete purchase by accepting terms and confirming payment. You'll get a digital policy number and documents. Save them. Note the cover start date, excess, and any exclusions so you understand when and what is covered. If you need to make a claim, follow the in-app claim flow and upload photos, IMEI, and proof of purchase promptly. If something goes wrong, claim rejected or activation fails, contact Monzo support and the insurer immediately. Keep screenshots and receipts and escalate with the policy number ready.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.